Certainly the recent history of this tie is... Well, I in European football terms for a decade and more.
The game, this conveyor belt, and I'm sure
Real Madrid, the European champions, are in town. Wonderful occasion, Martin, in their league, having surprisingly lost at their best performance of the season. Weekend 6 points of Barcelona. That was Solari has done wonderful work. Used to having Real Madrid in his sights. Deep lying ball winner, ball user.
Neres con Tadi, Tadic la devuelve para Neres, demasiado.
Con mucha gente, no acaba de encontrar a Modric, no acaba de encontrar a Kroos.
0-0, big save, then off the corner you're going to see he fumbles this one. Return goal from video review, and it's on this play here. You can keep it.
De profundidad, cuidado Neres, Neres en el área, Neres que Ziyech la quiere filtrar, no ha encontrado el pase definitivo. Neres con Carvajal, Carvajal empuja, vamos a ver qué dice el árbitro, dice que no es. Ojo, que Balayas, peligro, el disparo, al palo, Dusan Tadic, en otro robo de pelota, salida de Reguilón, Tadic golpea el balón, se va a la madera, tenido en la de lateral del Ajax que se marcha, pone el centro, se le queda muy...
Esa línea de 4 en esas situaciones se está defendiendo muy bien.
Intentaba Reguilón, Tadic se la da a Neres, Neres con Carvajal, que bien le ha metido el cuerpo. La pica, no sé qué quiso hacer ahí Vinicius. Después y Benzema, Neres que cede para Andrés.
Vinicius que es...
Ya se la mete Neres, que buen malo para Tadic. Tadic en el área, Tadic la quiere dejar para Van de Beek. Bale que puede golpear, tira Bale. Onana en dos tiempos.
The cross stabbed in, little layoff by Tagliafico by Shunning. For the last decade. Well, Modric trying to put a challenge. First period, there was no physicality really about Real Madrid. Little back heel, Carvajal's in the box, 2 to fill it back to Benzema. Onana.
5 when they get that opportunity. Onana.
Champion with Bayern and now. Cross from Reguilón. Same pair of hands. And Schürrle with the corner kick off the captain Ramos. He's towards Neres. Shot was too near, Courtois.
Behind the shot again. Break, he's on.
Junior retrieves it. He's done well, but a bumping too.
Well, there's no surprise there. He's been one that's waited. He's committed to on the ball.
Modric come back in position. Ziyech into Tadi. Brilliant from Modric. Saw the run of Bale.
In possession.
Saw Benzema and got away for the first time in the game. Takes on, has he done too much of it? Benzema, 1-0, and the second best throughout the first half. Went in level.
Vinicius Junior does brilliantly. 18, sometimes in those situations you can lose.
A top-class striker, beautifully.
Last. Only 1 or 2 of the Ajax players
for you.
Ball by Blind to Tagliafico as well. In it swings dangerously. Looking at the Beek, now they look long for having Neres
put in.
He's going to get a yellow card. Got a little bit late. Ziyech bends it around the wall. It's too close to his left hand side. He's gone for it and lifted it over. It's the first time we've seen it. Here's Neres. Oh, it's a great. Well, they deserve it. And Ziyech, the other, finish it off. Of the ball, Asensio, far post scores, and more controversy.
They're asking the question, and they've every right to ask the. Oh, this will be interesting to see whether it goes to VAR.